Hey guys, welcome back to the Confirmant RM YouTube channel. We're getting ourselves back into 2-minute technicals, getting back in the Bitcoin. So we can see over the past 24 hours, we actually broke down a little bit sooner than we thought. You can see we came right down here to the bottom side. We were anticipating a higher price prediction, getting ourselves back at the top of the range. But as you can see, we're getting ourselves just caught above the 200-day moving average here on the 1-hour chart, and we couldn't break through it, so it pushed us down lower. We lost support, and we pushed to the bottom of the trend, which is why we have the bottom of the trend here, and exactly goes to it and held and bounced right off of it back into near our apex. So we still have the initial movement here that could happen in this up to around that 23,756, but you see we have our longer term, since we're going off of this, our longer term coming here to around 23,976, and towards the end of the week, as you can see, March, like Thursday, Friday, getting ourselves up here to around that $25,000 region. Looks like we're bouncing in there. I don't believe Bitcoin's gonna be setting another low. Especially like when I say that, I mean like lower than what we have previously. We are making strides. We are pushing ourselves upwards. It is just taking time. It's meandering itself over, and you can see over here on the 4-hour chart, making some guaranteed headway up to the upside. Just keep hitting resistance here on the 23.6, and now we're getting up close to that moment where it's going to have to make a decision, holding itself here above the 20-day moving average, getting wedged between that and the 100-day, or we're going to see some sort of movement very soon. All right, we're going to zoom ourselves in this a little bit closer here. We can see what happened, flying up, hitting this 618, hitting the 618. What do? If we double tap the same spot like this, especially right here, and not breaking through 200-day moving average is very important here in the 1 hour. We come back into the bottom. Your two waves of, trying to push upwards. This is what happens. Your two waves of retrace after the fall, two waves of retrace, your fall downwards. So now this is our picking up region. This is where we're going to start seeing some movement towards the end of the week. So, I would expect that the bottom end of this trend to kind of just be our kind of support in the bottom end, but I do see these targets coming up very soon for it. That's why we've been talking about this 24.5 to around $25,000, beginning in March. But all right, guys, hope you have a good rest of your day, morning, evening, wherever you are. Remember, it's not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next video.